These creatine gummies provide a full daily dose of high-quality Creapure creatine monohydrate in a format that is much easier to remember and enjoy than traditional powders. Regular use supports noticeable improvements in strength, lean muscle development, and post-workout recovery, making them a practical option for consistent training. Because creatine also plays a role in brain energy, these gummies can help with mental sharpness and focus during demanding workouts and busy days. The fruity, chewable texture and pleasant taste make taking creatine feel more like a small treat than a supplement routine. The formula is vegan, kosher, non-genetically modified, gluten-free, low in calories, and avoids artificial colors and flavors, which will appeal to people with stricter ingredient standards. They are made in the United States with Creapure creatine and carry a respected sport certification, giving extra confidence in purity and label accuracy for athletes.